going on, everyone? That wasn't supposed to happen. We've returned to the Foggy Creek in search of trout. We're going to be a bit more careful today. Okay, it's pretty deep right here. We're fishing with a little white marabou jig today, 1/32 ounce.
It's gonna help affect our casting too. Really straight areas. Because it's easy on kayaks when there's nothing like blocking you, but like since you're visually blocking it.
I know, kayak is nice because you don't really have to care too much about where you cast unless you're up against the bank.
Am I tweaking? Yeah, I'm getting hit, I think. Yep.
Oh, nice, quick, clean catch and release. Alrighty. Hitting him with that Ned rig technique. Getting weeds.
Could have just been that one, I don't know. He was a big fucker too, bro.
That was a decent size. Maybe, yeah, maybe that's...
I don't know how big creek chubs really get.
I don't know.
It was like, they're little baby taps though. Oh
Alright, we're on the move again.
It's getting foggy up there, bro. It looks foggy up there.
I don't know if you can see, but it's getting foggy up there. I don't know what it is, but every time I show up to a fishing spot, fog starts rolling in, man. All right. So it's clear over here. Check the depth with your rod or something, maybe. I'll check this one.
Oh, it's pretty shallow right here.
Okay.
Something to it, maybe.
I'm gonna go in this pocket thing right here.
All right, bet, go for it.
Never know, they might be at our ankles. Our PB might be at our ankles, and you never know.
Eating. Ooh. Ooh. A lot of weeds on that side. Yeah, a lot of weeds. I want to catch a rainbow. I've only caught one brown. Oh, there's a little pocket next to you.
Yeah, I looked in there already. There's just tiny little fry.
Oh, I can't. It's definitely weedy. Yeah, I was getting a little bite over there, I'm pretty sure. I wonder how waders would have been.
It feels like I'm running in place.
Maybe walking along the side of the bank will work better.
Is this the next topwater lure, the Sentry?
Yes, bro.
iCast 2027, here we come. All right, guys. We had to ditch the shoes. They're only making things more difficult.
move upstream?
Shall. It's pretty rocky right here. I'm not sinking at all.
Oh,
Smooth rocks too, they're not even sharp.
where the f did that even go?
Hold on, let me go up there.
Dude, this is what right here, bro. Alright, you're good. That's somewhat. Here, cast this for bay before you walk in there. This looks too good to not cast. I don't care if mine.
Aw, you snapped. We still got the marabou jig on. Bro brought exclusively treble hooks to this spot.
I was like, damn, that's some weird action. You know, I'm not getting any fluttering. I thought about showering after I got home from work. I was like, no. Glad I didn't. That's crazy. I didn't know ducks. Oh, not ideal.
That's not ideal either. Alright guys, we've moved up probably, I don't know, 100, 200 yards, and it's been nothing but headache. My buddy's caught, what, 2 or 3 creek chub?
Yeah, about that.
But we're gonna keep fishing.
Huh, that's fun. The Guggen pliers fell out of my pocket.
Oh. Was it when you were stepping over there?
Yeah. Feel with your feet.
Dude, I could put my GoPro under there.
You got waterproof case for it?
It is waterproof.
You don't need a case?
The Hero Black? No.
Oh, let's go. I found them. This is what I saw sitting in the water. Is that ring. It was flipped over like this.
I was looking for a little bit of green.
That's what I was looking for too.
Down to keep fishing?
Tiny bit. I have to get up early in the morning, and I'm trying to have a little time to play Xbox tonight, low key.
I
I
get
haven't
you.
played Xbox in like a fucking week. We go up to the current up there too.
We got ourselves a little fish, guys.
Let's bring it up again.
What do we got?
It's a beautiful creek chub.
Tough hook, bud. Bro, stop tweaking.
Yeah, those tweets.
It's okay, I'm gonna help you.
Rocky cousins.
Bro,
Is it treble hook or single?
it's a single hook.
Dude, mine was meowing. He hooked his tongue.
I know. That's why I was like, ooh, tough hook, bud, I'm sorry.
Trigger release. What the
Release
fuck?
cam. Oh, what the hell? Why is the entity coming for us right now?
Bro.
That's a new species as
Did you
well.
get that jump on video?
I got the entire thing on video. Go ahead.
So I'm trying to get like the right angle. I don't want to like hit a tree. I gotta like.
Dude, this is really just a pitching
Oh, I
place.
can do that with this one now. I don't have a fucking treble hook. Dude, that's a money cast. It might be really deep. Right?
Oh, I'm in the tree. Let me get my rod over that so it comes right out. Go ahead.
I'm gonna flick it. Ooh. Bro. That's what I'm rewarded with for trying to cast a new spot.
I'm telling you guys, every time I show up to a spot, it starts getting foggy.
I might have to go past it. Unless you wanna cast stuff on real quick.
I'll make it
I
past it
cast on
too.
that island and let it off. I never ran the whole time, so my
Alright guys, we got a new species. Tiny little guy. Not the fish we're looking for, but hey, it's something, you know.